All right, so I put together a Quizlet deck that goes over the congressional leadership positions. We've looked at some of these in the past with our Congress Web Quest, and then also last week looking at the just kind of basics of the legislative branch. So I'm going to start with just terms from the Senate, and then I'll have another video with just terms from the House of Representatives. So our first term is the President of the Senate. And this is the vice president serves this role. So the vice president is considered the president of the Senate, and our current vice president is Mike Pence. So his role, in addition to being the vice president, is to be the leader of the Senate. So what he does in his role with this is he is a leader of daily Senate sessions. So anytime that the senators are together, he leads that. He appoints committee chairs and members. And committee chairs are people that lead like small groups in Congress. So there might be a committee on education, there might be a committee for agriculture. So he would put people in charge of those smaller groups and then assign members to those groups as well. The president of the Senate also refers bills to committees. So anytime a new bill is written, they take a look at it and send it to the appropriate committee. So if an education bill comes in, the president of the Senate would take that bill and they would send it to the education committee. And then they're also just considered that to be the spokesperson for the Senate. So they're the ones that, if there are ever any media events or things like that, they're usually there to be the spokesperson for the Senate. Our next term is the president pro tempore. So the role of this person is really just to kind of do all the things that the president of the Senate does when the vice president isn't there. So they lead the Senate when the vice president isn't present. And then they also complete any other duties assigned by the president of the Senate. So if the president of the Senate asks them to do something, their job is to make sure that that gets done. The Senate Majority Leader. So remember, when we are looking at the Senate and even with the House of Representatives, there will be a Majority Leader and a Minority Leader. So the Majority Leader means that they have more people. And right now in the Senate, there are more Republicans than there are Democrats. So the majority leader is going to come from the Republican Party. So the job of the majority leader is that they are the lead speaker for their party during floor debates. So anytime a bill is actually on the floor being debated in front of all of the senators, they usually take on the job of kind of leading the discussion for their party. They also help develop the calendar for the Senate, and any other times that the majority party might need to meet, they'll set up a calendar for that. And then they also assist the president of the Senate with making political decisions. So they're a higher ranking member in Congress, especially in the Senate. So they will work with the other higher, like the president of the Senate, to help make political decisions, kind of figure out the direction of the party. The Senate, each party has their own majority or their own whip, sorry. So the Senate majority whip, again, means that they have more people. So this will be a Republican for right now. And their role is that they assist the floor leaders. So they just kind of help them out. They go around and communicate with all the different senators, make sure that senators are present when there are debates going on, and then they go through and they count votes. So prior to the Senate actually voting on a bill, they go around and check in with all of the different senators to make sure that they have enough votes to pass a bill before they start voting. And if they don't have enough votes, then they need to try to convince other people to vote in that direction so that way they can pass their bill. Just like we have the majority leader, there's also the minority leader. So minority means that there are less people. So right now, our Senate minority leader is a Democrat because there are less Democrats in the Senate. And their job is very similar to the majority leader. They're the leader of the minority party, and during these floor debates, they are the lead speaker for the minority party. The only other difference between the majority and minority leader is that the minority leader needs to negotiate with the majority party. So when you have less people, it's hard to get anything passed. So they do a lot of negotiating to try to, even if a bill is going to be passed that maybe they don't want necessarily to have passed, they try to add some things in there that would be good for the minority party. And then the last person we'll talk about right now is the Senate Minority Whip. So they have the same role as the Majority Whip, which is that they assist the minority leader on the floor. Again, they go around and count votes, see how many votes they'll have in a certain direction. They make sure that the minority senators are present in sessions of Congress, and then they continue to communicate with those senators. Um, so these 6 roles that we talked about all have to do with the Senate, and there will be another video that will go through the remaining um, roles, which will come from the House of Representatives.